Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this peeled sticker effect in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So just adding a new page, go into the text, type Canva, changing the font type to formula and changing the text color to yellow. And immediately now, before I adding the effect, I just have to increase the text. So now I go into the effect, outline, and changing to the outline to a bluish one, like this. And now the important thing is to increase the thickness until we get rid out of all this transparent part, like this. I'm just adding a new page again, so page number 3. I just have to downloading it. Page 3, download, and adding to the picture, to the side, removing the background, edit, go into the shadow, outline, and changing the color to white, and increasing the text like this. And now I'm going to the elements and searching for blur. I'm choosing this blur effect, increasing the size, and going to the transparency and reduce the transparency to 55. Now it's looks good. And now going to the second element, which is a paper curl. I will go to the graphics and this one. Yes. Just increasing the size of the picture to find the perfect position for this curl. Like this, maybe a bit even more. Yeah. And now going back to the elements again, I just need a square. Just have to rotate it until have a same angle as the paper peel, and changing the color to same as the background. Like this. And here we just have to do some adjustments. Just reducing the size of the second one and rotate it. Increasing the size. No, this one is like this. It's better. Yeah, we have to find a perfect position to the peel. Just, I don't know, time to time not grabbing what I really want to grab. And now it's okay. And just have to insert this green thing perfectly here. We are almost done. Okay, it's too big, so this is an issue. Yeah, now it's okay. Duplicate it, reducing the size here. I just would like to play with this corner a bit to have it more realistic. To the 0. Yes. Okay, now it's looks really good. So here's the final result. So just time to time we have to find a perfect size of the peeling effect, also the text, and where to inserting it. Some places a bit difficult to cover, others are a bit easier. But as you can see, everything is possible if you are find a way how to do it perfectly. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you enjoyed it. And if you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. And see you on my next tutorial. Ciao.